Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Universal 2-in-1 bathroom sink stopper. Pop-up bathroom sink drain strainer with anti-clogging filter basket. Bathroom drain stopper sink plug for 1.06 minus 1.65 basin drain holes. 2-in-1 bathroom sink stopper. 1 unit. Dual function. Simply push down the button to stop the water. Push again to drain the water and catch hair. It's more convenient than other rubber bathroom sink stoppers with a single function. Fit 99% bathroom sink drain opening. The bathroom sink strainer fits 99% US standard bathroom sink drain, whose diameter is from 1.06 inches to 1.65 inches. Easy to install and clean. No tools and costly plumber fees required. Simply insert the sink plug into the drain hole to complete installation. Rapid drainage and effective filtration, getting rid of the troublesome tools on unclogging pipes. The bathroom sink stopper can catch the hair effectively while draining rapidly. Durable and rust-proof. Compared to the rubber bathroom sink stopper, the surface of this drain stopper is made of premium copper and smooth polished chrome, which is nice looking and rust-resistant to cover your old rust sink drain surface. Thanks for watching and subscribe.